Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our quick tutorial series where we break down the latest tips for your Mac. Today, we're tackling how to sign out of Mail on Mac for 2025. Whether you're switching email accounts, enhancing your privacy, or just troubleshooting, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super straightforward, even if you're new to macOS updates. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you're on your Mac device running the latest macOS version for 2025. Start by launching the Mail app. You can find it in your dock, or search for it using Spotlight by pressing Command plus space and typing Mail. Once it's open, you'll see your inbox or the main interface. Next, head to the top menu bar and click on Mail. From the drop-down, select Preferences or Save Time with the shortcut Command plus comma. This opens a window with various settings tabs. Now, switch to the Accounts tab, where all your connected email accounts are listed. In this tab, you'll see a sidebar with your accounts. Click on the one you want to sign out from. On the right side, look for the Sign Out or Remove Account button. Apple might have tweaked this slightly in the 2025 update, but it's usually straightforward. Click it, and you may get a confirmation prompt to ensure you really want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. This will disconnect the account from your Mail app. Once that's done, simply close the Preferences window, and you're all set. Your Mail app won't pull emails from that account anymore. A quick tip. If you sign out by mistake, you can always add the account back through the same Preferences menu. This process helps keep your device secure, especially if you're sharing your Mac. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 Mac tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.